this.
Why? Me no think you say no man no live on it.
Him, I know a normal man.
This thing are not just Jamaican tycoon a fund this. Me a get funding from all over the world. Me a play ball with some big league. So me no want hear no more hiccup or else some boy I get kick up. You see what me I say?
Something
Something
they
one
want
chaos
so
select,
we'll
we
see
want.
How they go along your son? Leave me island alone. This woman looked like she was carved by a well-dedicated artist. Look on them curve there. You have any details? Like statistics on the case? I definitely not got statistics on the girl. When you hit the room, boy. Oh, sorry, sir. Okay, drop. It seems like road butter in a postmort. You know how to take my calls. Ungrateful boy. But you go take my visit.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Plus, the media is hounding Trican services for the deploration of trees on Paradise Island.
What trees? Them little bush they not serve no purpose.
I'm sorry, sir, but Mr. Drake is on a call right now and does not want to be disturbed. But I could have with somebody I correct.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, the story is about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
So y'all said somehow the trees are important to environment.
It would appear, Mr. Drag, that you don't want my business.
Let me knock you back later. Me have an unexpected guess.
We are falling behind time with the Paradise Island project. It's
And
ridiculous.
what about the people's cry for their trees? Hey, tell me.
What exactly does trees has to do with progress? Your argument is ridiculous.
Look, me and no chemist in the star, but I'm sure the trees have something to do with the same atmosphere that we breathe in and out, you know.
You just have to try and breathe less. See, I can do it. Breathe, stop. Breathe, stop. Breathe, stop.
And what when people start breathing on my
My
neck?
empire wasn't built on people worried about trees. Trees? What are trees? It's ridiculous. With this money you could buy all the amount of trees you want. Now do you still want to stop cutting down trees? It's ridiculous. So we'll continue with our project.
Or whenever you need my might, the earth will open up and give you all its strength. The Dark Menace strikes again on Paradise Island, bringing constructions there on a halt. In other news, the police are baffled over the death of missing girl, as it was alleged that she was on her way home from Clubtronics when she was attacked. Though some people are saying the Dark Menace is fighting a losing battle, there are others that will agree with what he is doing. No trees means no oxygen after all. And coming later, a developed community suffers under the heat because of insufficient trees, and one resident of the new city is selling everything he has to aid in the Dark Menace's fight to protect our trees and environment.
Support the Save Our Trees campaign. Support the Save Our Trees campaign.
Yo, Dragon, we have a mutated mega human carry in. It will drop your dark menace like my grandmother's lunch. Yo, pick way up on the way. A full time we deal with him. My investors are dropping heavy dollars on the project here. Nothing now go stop it. Yo, what I do? Man want a bigger room. Man claustrophobic.
Why we couldn't travel by the Sun Bridge? That wouldn't be faster?
Faster, yes, but where we are going is out of the reach of your
You mad? How you know we can stand the cosmic pressure all this, sir?
To survive, you must forget about your surroundings and concentrate wholly on the elements that are around you. Self-preservation will do the rest.
How me I go forget? Me in a deep space, going who knows where in a capsule.
This capsule is the only thing shielding us from the blast that you are going to emit, as you are exposed to the rays of Sirius, giving you the power of a young star. May the light be your guide.
What the?
I'm feeling different.
Youth? You don't see wearing a new suit?
Yo, brother, what you do to me?
You now have the power of a young star, powerful enough to desolate galaxies. With Okan destroy billions of galaxies. You, Zebra Cross, are our only hope.
Our smoke, they come from over sun now. Them your dirty bunga, your worse than termite. Them more stubborn than when jackass are brave.
Right with me, Miss Nobody. Yeah! Wanna think you can give me heaviness,
Yo,
you know?
pass the dice, man, cause you go like a 6, you true.
One whole day practically wasted because of this dark menace and him save the tree campaign.
I can see your men need proper motivation to get the job done.
We are top of motivation, rude boy. If I didn't know about this man, then I go feed myself. You think man a coward? Hold on the dragon, me I get a message. It a come from Devon at the recycling plant. Stop shooting at me ears. Him say him have the dark menace inside. Me I go check it out. Oh yeah, no, you're not for rush, brother.
Now you just may get the chance to go prove to me how brave you are, Drag.
What is Mr. So one fridge? So we have a plug it in.
I don't have electricity or a generator. At least I could have a refrigerator. That, my friend, is called thinking ahead.
When Eskimo have money, them really take it by fridge.
Don't try change the subject.
Initiating liftoff. Why is there a piece of a hummingbird on the windshield? Approaching target in 5 minutes.
Me I go get him for you, Mr. Truck.
Enabling combat mode.
Me have the Dark Menace in sight.
Aircraft armed and ready to engage. Target locked, you may fire.
Is abandoned. Yes!
Who the boy a drums?
Them come pollute Jamaican. No, them want come pollute Tahitiera. Me nah go make that happen.
Dragon, we have a slight problem.
Left the tree them alone. Tahitiera, make me feel your pain. Give me the strength to protect, to preserve, to...
This is how the footsteps lead. You mean that cave there?
Dark Menace. And we are good now. Me a go level the island, yeah. Planted wanted. It shoot. Run.
Drop, we can't stop and make two of them mango, yeah.
Stop and make one. Why run? I see the man at home.
Bear in mind, I want everyone out of the picture.